Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. It's about a week later. I got everything done on the pins. It's ready to go. So what we're gonna do now is take this pin up to the pig barn and get it installed. We got a few things up there we gotta take care of. I gotta extend the tin that's on the wall before I attach this to the wall. And I also gotta extend the automatic waterers. So we'll go ahead and get this thing loaded up. It's heavier than heck. So hopefully I can do it by myself. If not, I gotta wait for the wife to get home. But let's go and get this thing installed. All right, that sucked. So I'm gonna go ahead and strap it down and we'll get a move on. You guys are probably ready to eat. That sun in here. All right, well, I'm gonna get feeding these guys and then start working on this gate. All right, I got everything cleaned out. I put the piece of metal up there. So now I got to get the gate out of the truck and moving in here. So hopefully I can get that done. But got it in there, so I should be able to get it out. So let's go ahead and get that thing put in place, see where we want to attach it to the floor. Well, that's where it'll set. So it's pretty straight in there. I could possibly move it on the other side of that, because I think I moved this one on the other side too, so it's over a little bit compared to this one. But it's temporary, so I think it'll be fine. This one's a little bit bigger than any of them, to be honest with you. So. All right, we'll go ahead and get it lagged to the back wall. And then I got to drill a hole through the little tab that I welded on right there. And then I'll anchor it into the concrete. And then I have a little 90 thing I got to put on right here. I'll bolt onto that, and it'll poke out. And then that's where the pin will go through and it'll be latched. This will be up and all done. So let's go ahead and get at that. All right, it's installed. Now I just gotta get the automatic water extended over, but like I said, I don't have the actual water for now, so I'll probably do that on a later date. But right now, guys, I'm gonna put a couple nipples in here, clean up the barn a little bit, get things organized, and I think that might be it for the day, as far as that goes. Later today, we'll probably come up here and work the pigs a little bit, but for now, I'm gonna go back down to the farm, and we got our lambs, so I'm going to show you guys, you know, the two lambs. Actually 4 of the 2 of them are the neighbors, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys those and get some things done down there. All right, guys, I'll see you down there. All right, let's go in here and check out these lambs. Must have a hole in the chicken coop somewhere. The chickens are out early. All right, let's turn the lights on. There they are. The darker ones are ours, and the whiter ones are neighbors. So when the temperature gets a little bit warmer, we'll put them in the other little barn that I put the roof on, because that's where they're supposed to be. Babies are in the barn right now. They're growing huge. This one's already pretty big, but we still haven't separated them. Someday we will. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.